Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be another Power Hour Clean With Me video, and today I am really just going through the family room and cleaning up everything. As you can see, it is a complete mess, but story of my life. Usually I don't put away Riley's toys while she's taking a nap, but today I wanted to focus on the hardwood floors and really just clean them up. So I'm putting away her mat and we'll put it back out once she does wake up. I absolutely love this mat because it allows us to have some type of cushion underneath her while she's playing, especially since we do have hardwood floors, but it is such a pain to constantly keep putting it away. So that's why typically I do keep it on the floor for the most part. It has been a bit cold in New Jersey, so we have been using the wood burning stove. So I'm really just tidying everything up over there. I don't really want to put too much away just in case we do need to start another fire. So I am going through and sweeping up all of the dust because again, I am going to be using a wood floor cleaner. So I really want to make sure that all of the dust has been picked up. So I'm going in with the Wood for Good Squirt and Mop Cleaner from Method, and I'm giving this wood cleaner a try because the ones that I have used in the past really seem to make some type of haze on the floor, which I am not a fan of at all. And this wood floor cleaner is really easy to use because all you have to do is squirt it on the floor and then go in with a mop. So while that dries, I'm now going to tackle the kitchen. And again, like you can see, it is a hot mess. I feel like I am always cleaning, but you know what? That's how life goes. So I'm just going to start to declutter everything on the counters and put away anything that needs to be put away. And now I'm going to tackle the dishes. We did have only a few dishes in the sink from breakfast and the night before, so I'm just going to go in and clean everything up. I also have to clean some of Riley's bottles, so I'm going to do that as well. When it comes to cleaning Riley's things, I always use a different brush. Let me know if that is just too much or if it's normal, because I'm just scared that any foods that we eat could be transferred onto her stuff, and right now we're not really sure if she has any allergies. But again, let me know if that's just too much or if that's something that you guys do as well. Once the counters have been cleaned and I finish washing all the dishes, then I go in with Mrs. Meyes multi-surface cleaner, and this is the first time I'm using it, and so far I do really like it. I like the fact that it can clean so many different surfaces, which makes cleaning a lot easier. And then I go in and put all of the dishes away out of the dishwasher because we did have it running last night, so I'm just going to put everything else away. Now it's time to tackle the tea and coffee bar area, and again I'm just cleaning everything off and then going back in with the multi-surface cleaner by Mrs. Meyes. I wipe down all of the bar stools and then just sweep the kitchen floor. And the last thing I needed to tackle was just the mail. I do, again, like to go through this about once a week and just sort out any mail for each individual person, as well as go through any junk mail or old magazines that need to be thrown away. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did. If you're new, please subscribe to my channel. I make new videos every Monday and Thursday, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye.